Kahit wala ka pang anak, kailangan mong magpa-pap smear. Girl, oo ikaw. Alam mo ba na hindi mo na kailangan maghintay maging nanay para magpa-pap smear? Hi, this is Iza, your midwife at your cervix. Kasi minsan, akala natin, ay, hindi pa naman ako nabubuntis, wag na muna. Sis, hindi ganun yun. Ang pap smear ay ginagawa para mas maagang malaman ang possible signs ng cervical cancer. Kasi early detection means mas maagang maaagapan. If you're wondering kung tuwing kailan ginagawa ang pap smear, ginagawa ito once a year. And if 2 consecutive years na normal ang result, kahit every 3 years na. But, if may pagbabago kang napansin sa iyong discharge or down there, magpa-check na agad. At ang best time for pap smear is 7 days after your last day of menstruation at dapat 3 days at least wala ng sexual contact ha. So, hindi ito pang mommy lang. Pang you, pang me, pang lahat ng may cervix. Basta, sexually active na at edad 21 years old and above. Gets ko naman na medyo nakakailang. Like, hello? Pero, saglit lang yan. Tapos ang kapalit ay peace of mind. Taking care of your body is not nakakahiya. It's power. Kaya don't wait na for symptoms. Share mo na to sa girly mong friend na kailangan magpa-pap smear. Kaya visit your nearest health center to get checked kasi